Hi guys, I want to teach you how to make portable buns. You can do it in your house, you do it by yourself, you do it for your loved ones, for your friends, for your husband, for your children, and for your fiancé if you never get married. So it's very simple. You can go to nearby place and buy flour by yourself and make it so simple. I want to show you now, so please don't go anywhere, stay and watch out. It's very simple, so listen, let me show you how to do it. This is the flour, this nutmeg, this is salt, this juice, this one is butter, this one is sugar, this one is dry pig flour, this one is pig milk, and this is baking. This is juice. You can put it depending on the quantity of the flour. This is salt. You put it at the quantity. And this is the flour milk. You put it in a little quantity as the flour is a little. This is sugar. This is butter. This is baking powder. Okay. This is pig milk. This is nutmeg. Then now I want to mix it together. You can see it very clear. Use a little quantity of the groundnut oil and mix it. Mix it very well. Butter, you put it a little quantity too, and tear it very well. Look at the way I'm doing it. I'm using my spoon, but you can clean your hands very well, and you use your hand, or you use hand cloth and do it. Wash your hand very well if you want to use your hand. Look at the way I'm doing my own. Okay. Can use the flour so that the thing will not stain in your hand, and you roll it very well in the size you want. You roll it, you use the flour, you roll it very well in the normal size you want. It's very simple. Let me cut it to the normal size so that all of them will be equal. Okay. Spake or spoon. As you can see, I'm using knife. You can use this frying spoon, any one you like, but this is what I choose to use now. Okay, you can use your pot, your clean pot. As you see mine, you can use your fry pan, any one. you like. So now you can see it now. Very soon it will ready for consumption. Use something and remove it. There you can see now I'm using filter to remove it. But your clean pot, as you see mine, you can use your fry pan. Consumption. Hello friend, that is all about the portable buns. Next time we're gonna show you how to make fish pie, meat pie, and egg roll. So don't forget to share and follow, to comment. See you
next time.